Hi, welcome to Smells Like Home Cooking, where we show you our favourite foolproof recipes for you to try at home. Today is a Valentine's Day special. We're making heart-shaped cupcakes. These are the ingredients that you need for the sponge, and I'll put the quantities in the description below. We start by beating together the sugar and the softened butter. This is easiest with an electric whisk, and even easier if you can speed it up, like this. Once the mixture is light and fluffy, it's time to add the eggs. And then whisk again. Once that's pretty much incorporated, just scrape the sides of the bowl just to make sure every last bit's mixed in. Then it's time to add the vanilla, followed by the flour. Give that one final whisk until it's just combined, but don't beat any more than you need to. Line your tray with cupcake cases, and then spoon in the mixture, trying to make it as even as possible between the cases. While they're being filled, I just wanted to say a big thank you to anyone who's already subscribed, and to those that haven't, please subscribe now. It really helps us grow and continue to do videos like this. Now we need to make the heart shapes. Take a piece of foil and crush it into a ball, and then simply slide this behind one of the cupcake cases. Repeat for each cupcake and put the tray in the oven at 180 degrees C or 160 fan for 15 minutes. While they're cooking, we can make the buttercream. These are the ingredients you need, and I'll put them in the description below. Start by sifting the icing sugar to get rid of any lumps, and then add really soft butter and whisk together. It's best to cover it with a tea towel like this so you don't get icing sugar absolutely everywhere. Once it's started to come together, you can remove the towel and continue whisking until it's nice and smooth. At this point, you can add some red food colouring. This will make it turn pink if you don't add too much, and you can also add any flavourings you want, such as a teaspoon of vanilla extract. After 15 minutes, the cupcakes can be tested with a skewer or a toothpick. If it comes out clean, then they're done. Once the cupcakes have totally cooled on a wire rack, decorate with the icing. If you don't have a piping bag and nozzle, that's fine, just simply spread on the buttercream. And there you have it, Valentine's Day heart-shaped cupcakes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.